युञ्जमेवां सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते. Studying the self, being freed from all material contamination, the yogi achieves the highest perfect stage of happiness, in touch with the supreme consciousness. So highest happiness in touch with the Supreme Lord. This is very unique. And Prabhupada is saying this contact of the soul with the Lord is called Brahma Samsparsham. There is a word also for that. So very nicely explained this point. And anyway, what everybody is looking for. Everybody is looking for happiness. And for happiness, we do so many things in this world. And ordinarily, for a jiva, it is not possible to taste his happiness. And it is actually the mercy of Lord Chaitanya that a conditioned soul like us can taste spiritual happiness. Many people will go and tell you can practice spiritual life, you can taste spiritual happiness. Generally, they know it is there because they are part of India. But the thing, it is extremely something which is extremely difficult. Very, very difficult. One devotee very nicely explained this point. Many times we discuss. Just like we eat gulab jamun, we make lot of sound, we make. But what is the main thing is the taste in the jamun. Agree? So Krishna consciousness is the taste, rasa. What is it? Rasa. Like you're chanting Hare Krishna. There may be sound, there may be volume, there may be mridanga, there may be kartal, or may not be. What is most important is the rasa, the taste, the spiritual happiness you are getting out of it. That is most important. The rest thing is external. Correct? It's like when you're eating gulab jamun. आप गुलाब जामुन खा रहे हैं, बहुत चीज़ है उसमें, आवाज़ आ रहा है, खटरम खम. What is most important in gulab jamun? The taste. Similarly, we are reading Prabhupada books. There are so many things. It is also written on paper. There is ink in it. There is some कुछ चीज़ उसमें लिखा हुआ है. What is most important? Krishna प्रेम का taste. Therefore I say, जब प्रभुपाद की किताबें पढ़ते हैं, at least read 1 hour. Because then you are slowly able to tune. Even in japa, when you finish 1 hour, then the mind starts concentrating. And then you start feeling the taste. For me it is like that. Some people may be very advanced. 1 minute itself you stand. Then you start feeling the taste. Okay? So anyway, so here Brahma Samsparsham. We are there. हम लोग कृष्णा कॉन्शियस प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं बिकॉज कुछ अनुभव है. अभी जब तक अनुभव रहेगा करोगे. Otherwise it cannot continue. It will not last. It not only the philosophy, we discussed this many times. It's not only the philosophy, it is not only the Acharya's direction, there is practical experience also in Krishna consciousness. Okay? So that is Brahma Samsparsham. And Prabhupada says that you can forget everything. Don't forget Krishna. Because that very beautiful verse is there. Where Krishna says, I am yours and you are mine. You cannot forget me. I am not lost to him and neither he is ever lost to me. So we get lost. That is the nature. But Prabhupada says you may forget everything but do not forget Krishna. Our tendency is हम भूल जाते हैं. ये भूल गए, ये भूल गए. और भक्त को यही रहता है कि किसी तरह somehow he should not forget Krishna. And that is how the whole Krishna conscious day is arranged, that he does not forget Krishna. Somehow or another he is continuously engaged in service to Krishna. Okay? That is how the Krishna conscious program is arranged. And then this is the only opportunity. Suppose this life you don't make it, how dangerous it will be. Therefore generally people think अभी तो millions of जन्म लगेंगे. ठीक है, in humility we can feel. Prabhupada also in his prayer to his spiritual master Vyaspuja prayers, he says millions of births, we have no hope of salvation. That is humility. But for us it's a reality. But still our effort should be very sincere. Because if you miss this opportunity, it is I who is going to lose, not other people. It is I who is the loser. If I miss this opportunity, that I who is going to lose. And then next pata nahi. We do not know. We should not take chance, because there is just no guarantee what is going to happen in the next life. There is no guarantee. You may have opportunity, but आप उसका फायदा लेंगे नहीं लेंगे कुछ मालूम नहीं है. Agreed? So most of you are chanting 16 round, but take it seriously. It's a very serious thing. Krishna consciousness is not a joke. Okay? It is easy, it is sublime, but be serious about it. It's a very serious thing. So in different ways it has been said, the Brahma Samsparsham, on the contact with Krishna. And if we focus on this contact, loving Krishna, then only we love other living entities. Everybody's tendency to love something. Now they have likes. What do you like? They ask. Sometimes they ask in the class, what are your hobbies? Just to introduce. But actually, if you don't like Krishna, if you don't love Krishna, then there is no love. You understand? Like people may say, I love humanity, but then the cows are sent to slaughterhouse. It's not complete. But when you love Krishna, actually you love. Actually you love. Because through Krishna you love everybody. This is a very secret. It's a very nice secret of Krishna consciousness, that just by one stroke, Prabhupada gives another nice example. He says, other processes are like goldsmith. Tuck, 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 tuck. What does goldsmith done? Dhere, 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 dhere. And our process is like a blacksmith hammer. समझा? आप गोल्डस्मिथ का हैमर देखा है? What does it have? छोटा सा होता है. आप किसी ने देखा है गोल्डस्मिथ का हैमर? You can imagine. उसको कुछ he has to twist, turn and make something. It's very small hammer. उसको अगर कोई रॉड टेढ़ा करना है तो उसको लग जाएंगे 10 साल. अगर और बैगस्मिथ क्या करेगा? रखेगा उठा के धड़. So our process, just by loving Krishna, your spiritual advancement is so quick that a normal person will take a lot of time. That example is there. Samashita ye padapallava plavam mahat padam purne yasho murare bhavamudi vatsa padam. Even though ये असंभव लगता है, if you think about, मेरे हार्ट में इतना shortcomings है. I was discussing that point in the morning and yesterday also. We like to be good, correct? I'm doing good, but unless you come to the mode of goodness, you are not good. You're only harmful. Satoguna person is good, Rasik is disturbed, Tamsik is mad. Correct? So you cannot do good or you cannot be good unless you are in Sattva-guna. हिंदी समझ आता है? नहीं, आपके पीछे हिंदी समझ आता है? तो आप जनरली लोग बोलते हैं मैं अच्छा कर रहा हूँ. आप अच्छा नहीं कर सकते जब आप अच्छा नहीं बनोगे, और अच्छा बनने के लिए आपको सत्वगुण में आना पड़ता है. हमारे दिल में जब काम है, हमारे दिल में जब मेटल डिज़ायर्स हैं, आप राजसिक और तामसिक हो, अच्छे नहीं हो. दानव के कोई सींग नहीं होते. दानव मीन्स इज राजसिक और तामसिक. दैट्स इट. व्हाट डू यू से? समझ आ रहा है ना? सो एक्चुअली देयरफॉर नेक्स्ट स्टेप, वेरी सीरियस स्टेप नाउ, when you are aware that you are having material desires, that means you are not a good person. Be sure about it. अभी हम लोग हवा में हैं, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं. कैसे अच्छे हो? सच नहीं दिखता क्या तुमको? You are not a good person. Everybody has, I am a nice person. You are not a good person. Actually all of us should be convinced we are not a good person. बहुत घमंड हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं. तुम अच्छे नहीं हो, अच्छे हो ही नहीं सकते. Why you have material desires? आप अच्छे नहीं हो. Because you are Rasik or Tamsic. Tamsic is demon. Rasik is like he wants to be good, but bad is disturbing him. You got it? So we think so proud. What are you proud of? You are not a good person. You take out the very foundation of people. I am a good person. You are not a good person. You have material desires. You are Rasik or Tamsic. Correct? Moment you have a single material desires, you are no longer a good person. You are Rasik. Rasik means disturbed. And we know we are disturbed. And sometimes we are a very bad person. So this should come very clear in the mind. I am not a good person. So then, when you are in front of the Acharya and in front of Krishna, you should be truthful to them. At least public में हम पाखंड करते हैं. In front of Guru and Krishna, don't do pakhand. We should be come to ground. At least be truthful to them. Otherwise, what will you pray? You cannot pray to Guru or Krishna unless you are truthful to them. Correct? Public में चलो हम लोग दिखावा करते हैं. In front of Guru and Krishna, we should be very, very truthful. What this is my condition. Forget spirituality. वो तो बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है. There was one devotee was telling me, ये तो बड़ा बड़ा चीज़ बाद में छोड़ो. Let us first become a gentleman human being. Agree? Not gentleman of the society. As per the Shastra, gentleman means he is in Sattva-guna. And we know we are not in Sattva-guna. Then क्या हवा में किधर देख रहे हो? We should be, our head should be down in front of the deities. I am not able to become even a good person, my Lord. ठीक है ना? This is my embarrassing condition. What face I can show you, my Lord? And then pray spiritually. In this lamentable condition that I am in, I have come forward to serve you. I am not some special soul. Public mein okay, we are all have natak, I am a special soul. But in front of the deity, we should be very, very cautious that actually I am not fit to serve you, my Lord. Agree? In front of the Prabhupada deity, I am not fit to do anything. Then you will pray. Prayer is always when you consider yourself helpless in front of the Lord. My Lord, I cannot pick myself up. Hai nanda tanuja kinkaram patita ma vishame bhavam budho kripaya tavapad pankaja siddhuli sadisham vichintaya. Kripaya, my Lord, you pick me up. Okay? So in this condition, when we are proper says we should always be meek and always feel helpless in front of the Lord. Then real Brahma Samsparsha happens, real contact. Actually, this is the way to contact the Lord. Otherwise, what are you? Like Sudama, when he met Krishna, after that Sudama says, what am I? I am just a small Brahmin. And what are you? The Supreme Personality of Godhead. Still you are so kind to me. Correct? When that is the foundation, we can meet the Lord. No, this is meeting the Lord. Meeting the Lord is in consciousness, not physically. If you are in consciousness, you can meet Him now. It is what is separating me from the Lord is not the distance. What is separating is the consciousness. And what consciousness we are having, is that I am thinking I am a good person. You are not a good person, first I should be convinced. Very bad. Otherwise, how will you pray? I am a special soul which has come. Useless. There was a class and Prabhupada says again and again, you are nothing. Somebody went to Prabhupada. Said, Prabhupada, I am the most fallen. Prabhupada said, you are most of nothing. Generally what happens, humility also becomes another pride. I am very humble. That is another pride. That becomes another foolishness. So this should be very clear that Brahma Samsparsha we want to do, it should be in proper attitude, understanding our situation, understanding the urgency, understanding the danger I am in this world. Person goes in front of the Lord and offers himself to serve the Lord, and he very well is aware that Krishna is very merciful. Just like there is a nice prayer we were discussing yesterday, Chaitanya Charitamrita. Ai Dina, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's prayer, so touching prayer. Now we are nowhere. It said Madhunda Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Radharani. Only these three people have actually tasted this prayer. Only these three. So we are not there in that list. Aapka naam nahi tha usme. Only three people. Who are the three people? Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Madhunda Puri. Only three people actually tasted Mahabhava. Intense separation from the Lord. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu speaks that prayer. He says, my Lord, Ai Dina, you are so merciful. But what is my condition? I am not able to approach you. This is Brahma Samsparsha. This is a way to contact the Lord. Not that I am a very special person. You know who I am. I have come. Kahin jaate na? You know who I am. We've introduced like, I am this, I am this. We give a visiting card. You know, I am this. In front of Krishna, nothing you can show. Because all the six opulences Krishna is unlimited. You don't have them only. For you it is zero. Okay? So we should have proper attitude when we approach the Lord. And we take up the process as given by the Acharyas. The Acharyas are given a wonderful process. We take up the process. And gradually we advance in Krishna consciousness. And the love of Krishna slowly manifest in the heart, gradually manifest in the heart. We are discussing that something also very interesting. Devotee develops a hope. We discussed that. That's also very, very nice point. It's like, suppose you are doing business and loss में चल रहा है कुछ ठीक से नहीं, तो एक तरह का आपका प्रोफाइल होगा. दूसरा, आपको थोड़ा अभी होप है, अभी कुछ हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, आपका प्रोफाइल बदल जाता है. टोटल आदमी का चलने का स्टाइल बदल जाता है. हाँ, यू हैव अ होप नाउ. यू अंडरस्टैंड? Similarly, spiritual life maybe we are practicing now, but somebody says, are you sure you're going to back to Godhead? Then it is one kind of profile in life of that person. And when he is feeling the protection of the Lord, he is feeling the mercy of the Lord, Avashya Rakshive Krishna is feeling, that is another life. It takes a lot of time. The person feels, yes, definitely Krishna will protect me. So in the same way, I just wanted to say some words at how we should be very alert in this opportunity. You may not get this opportunity again. We should not throw it away. You get something, you should not miss the chance, correct? You get one ball, you have to hit a 6. So human life, you have to hit a 6 means you have to become really serious and take advantage of this opportunity. You got the mercy of Lord Chaitanya, you got the shelter of Srila Prabhupada, and now we should see that we don't miss this, what is very rarely given. That's why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu prayer, it is said, you are so kind, you are distributing something which is very rarely given. Namo Mahavadhyanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate. Therefore he is called very liberal, because this is not generally given. Nobody gives Krishna Prema. It is very rarely given. Therefore, Lord Chaitanya has given a very specific position, because he is giving something which is very, very rare in this world. Manushyanam sahasreshu kashit yatati siddhaye yatatam api siddhanam kashim vam veti tatvataha. Among thousands of men, there is one person who makes himself free from material desires and understands, I am not body, I am soul. Among thousands there is one. Mostly people whole life go into the business of satisfying their senses like cats and dogs. Most of the people. Among them there is somebody very rare soul. Manushyanam sahasreshu. Sahasra means thousand. He tries to understand, who am I? Am I the body? Am I the mind? What am I actually? What am I seeking in life? How I will be happy? In what way my human life is better than an animal life? This will be one in 1,000. Maybe even more rare. Recently I was asking somebody, I want a driver who does not drink. He said 1 in 100. Just imagine. This is the kind of degraded people today society. And when somebody has vices, forget spiritual life. He is not even sane. He is an insane person. So rare to get somebody who is Siddha. And yatatam api siddhanam kashim vam veti tatvataha. Among thousands of people, who is a Siddha, who is able to control himself, who is able to understand, I am not body, I am soul. Yatatam api siddhanam kashim vam veti tatvataha. One rare soul knows Krishna. To know Krishna therefore becomes 1 in 1,000,000. Very, very rare. Just like we have so many spiritual organizations in India, they don't know Krishna. They don't even know who is Krishna. I don't know what Gita they study, what they study. God knows. They don't know who is Krishna. Bhagavad Gita minus Krishna. That is their realization. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has not even taught who is Krishna. He has given love of Krishna. Try to understand this point. To understand Krishna itself is very, very rare. Just like in India itself, we have so many so-called Hindus. Catch any one of them and ask who is Krishna. They don't know. So how rare it is you can understand. Even in India they don't know who is Krishna. Mostly they don't know. And to understand Krishna itself is so rare. Imagine developing love for Krishna, which is even more rare. Koti Shubh Mahamane. It's a very, very rare thing. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has given something, a great blessing. What is that? If you can just agree to do something. What is that? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What is going to happen then? You will develop love of Krishna. You imagine you become 1 in 1,000,000,000. Very rare soul. Koti Shubh Mahamane. Among crores of people, you become some very rare soul who develops, whose heart's beating in love for the Lord, which is very, very rare thing. Therefore, how much with respect and how much with attention we should chant the Hare Krishna mantra, because it is giving you something which is very, very, very rare.